In the fifth generation, the Explorer lost its frame and downshift in the transfer case. In 2012, full-cycle production was opened in Yellowbuga, except for the main units. All cars officially sold in our country are 7-seater. Twice refreshed appearance and set of equipment. In 2015, for Russia, the V6 engine was derated from 290 to a more tax-favorable 249 horsepower. Atmospheric gasoline Duratec version 63.5, 290 or 249 horsepower, is very reliable. No dangerous diseases have been identified. With good service and clean fuel, over 400,000 kilometers live, while the AI 92 is acceptable. The timing chain resource is over 200,000, but its tensioner and the pump driven by it must be checked after 100 to 120,000 kilometers. Bad gasoline quickly clogs the throttle and energizes the converter oxygen sensors on the check engine. The oil burner starts after 150,000 kilometers. Often it is enough to change the valve stem seals. Valve adjustment is required every 100,000 kilometers. EcoBoost 2.3, 280 horsepower, is relatively young and is presented in single copies. There is little information about him, but he starts eating oil much earlier, including due to direct injection. Additional trouble will provide a new pressurization system, although the same resource is promised in 300 to 400,000 kilometers. The 6F50/6F55 Series 6-speed hydraulic automatic, identical to the 6T70/6T75 Giant, is designed for high torque. It is famous for its reliability and a resource of 250,000 kilometers. Dirty oil accelerates the wear of rings, seals, bushings, and kills solenoids. Ideally, the working fluid should be changed every 30 to 40,000 kilometers. The Haldex clutch, which transmits torque to the rear axle, is reliable and can turn off if it senses the danger of overheating. The Explorer can do quite a bit off-road, but regular exercise will kill the transfer case and problems will start with leaks. It is naive to consider it maintenance-free. You need to change the oil. The stabilizer struts are consumables, otherwise the suspension is strong and usually requires a large-scale revision after 100,000 kilometers. In the steering mechanism, the tie rod anthers quickly wear out. They must be monitored. There are complaints about the light. The headlights are too high, the diffuser is unsuccessful, the fog lights sweat, crack, and may fall out due to a flimsy mount. The abundance of electronic systems and assistance generates various failures and glitches. Most often, the climate control, damper drive, and the parking assistant are mopey. The body lacks rigidity. In case of distortions, the rear door electric drive with the force limiter is sometimes blocked. Leaks also develop at the junction of the roof and the rear panel, where the sealant gradually dries out.